Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings Disclaimer. RhinoGear 11912 BMI RhinoRamp's Max Vehicle Ramp, Pair, 16,000 lb GVW capacity. Portable automotive ramps with a rugged and structural design, provides reliable and convenient access to the underside of your vehicle as well as nestability for maximum storage space. CoreTRAC non-skid base helps reduce slippage. 17-degree incline provides easy use for low-clearance vehicles. 16,000 pound GVW, gross vehicle weight, capacity. FloTool's sturdy, durable RhinoRamps allow for reliable and convenient access to the underside of your vehicle. Patented polymer internal support system and wide stance offer excellent weight distribution and unbeatable strength. The innovative CoreTRAC non-skid base helps reduce slippage while the 17-degree incline provides easy use for low-clearance vehicles. These portable automotive ramps are great for cars, pickups, sport utility vehicles, and vans. Thanks for watching and subscribe.